Welcome to the Quiz Press. In today's video, can you guess the animal by their sound? Sweat like a pig. While this is a common phrase, it is not accurate. Pigs do not have sweat glands, meaning they are unable to sweat. They are not only the friendliest or caring creatures but also the most intelligent ones. It is believed that comparing the ratio size of brain to body, dolphins take the second place right after the humans. Male gorillas beat their chests as a way to establish dominance or as a display of strength during confrontations. The fastest land animal in the world, a cheetah, can reach 64 miles an hour, 102 kilometers per hour. In just 3 seconds, that's faster than a sports car accelerates. Wolves develop such strong social bonds for their family and other loved ones. They have been known to sacrifice themselves for the survival of the pack. Eagles don't teach their babies to fly. The parents delay feeding to make the babies feel intense hunger. The assumption is that once the eaglet becomes hungry, it will find the motivation to fly. Zebras can actually survive up to 5 days without drinking water. Giraffes only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep in a 24-hour period. They often achieve that in quick naps that may last only a minute or two at a time. Most of a koala's day is spent snoozing in the treetops. Because eucalyptus leaves are so low in nutrients and take a lot of time to digest, koalas need to sleep between 18 and 22 hours a day to conserve their energy. Hippos can't swim, but they can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Seagulls can recognize people by their faces. Researchers found that seagulls are able to identify and remember individual people, especially those who feed them or otherwise interact with them. Penguins spend around half their time in water and the other half on land. Red foxes have excellent hearing. They can hear rodents digging miles underground. Storks were once thought to be monogamous, but this is only true to a limited extent. They may change mates after migrations, and migrate without them. On average, male lions weigh 190 kilograms, almost 30 stone, and females weigh 126 kilograms, almost 20 stone. They need this weight and power behind them to hunt large prey and defend their pride. We hope you enjoyed this video. Drop your answers in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.